Well, good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to another Farming Smarter plot shot. My name is Trevor Deering, and I am a research associate here in my second year. And I am in charge of the contract research here. And today we are at our rolling barley trial. We are conducting this trial with George Luberts of Complete Agronomic Services Incorporated. And with silage barley, it's common practice to roll a field so that the rocks can be pushed into the soil. And this helps so that you can lower the header as low as you can to get as much plant material as you can for the silage. And also this helps to avoid machinery damage that could be possible when hitting large rocks. So the objective of this trial is to see how that rolling impacts the growth of the barley over time. We set up 7 treatments. The first treatment was untreated, we didn't roll it at all. The second treatment was rolled right after seeding. Then we rolled at the first leaf, the second leaf, and the third leaf, and the fourth leaf as well. And the last treatment we just rolled on June 15th, so Tuesday, and that was at the first nose stage and into the early bolting. So far, the early leaf stages, and right after seeding, they don't seem like they're getting hurt at all, but it's the later stages, like at the fourth leaf and at the first node, that seem like they've been hurt, and so they're stunting. There's not much browning or anything like that. None of the plants are really dying, but they are stunted a bit, so we'll have to wait until we take the yield to really see if that yield was impacted negatively. This is treatment number 1, the untreated, looks really healthy. Treatment number 2, we rolled right after seeding. Again, doesn't look like there's any damage or stunting. Treatment number 3, we rolled at the 1 leaf, and that looks pretty healthy as well. Treatment number 4, we rolled at the 2 leaf. There kind of looks like there might be a little stunting, but it still looks really healthy. And then we rolled at the 3 leaf, and that one again still looks pretty healthy. Then we rolled at the 4 leaf, and we can definitely see as we get over here drastic change in the height. So it is a little stunted. And this one, treatment number 7, we rolled on Tuesday. And it's still even trying to stand back up. And so that one will probably be our most damage. I'll have to see what the yield shows us. Stay tuned for more information about this trial and what we do find out in the end. And you can also check out other videos online. Check out our YouTube and our website and Facebook. And we'll see you guys next time.